It's almost as if the object is on a carefully chosen path, one that maximizes interaction with the inner solar system. Another weird coincidence is that when 3I Atlas comes closest to the Sun or its perihelion, it will be on the opposite side of the Sun from Earth. This means Earth will be completely blocked from seeing it at that moment. The Sun will be right in the way. The chance of this kind of alignment is around 7%, which again is not very high. It feels almost like the object is deliberately avoiding our view, slipping past Earth through its one major blind spot.
So the unusual trajectory of this object offers the possibility that it might have been designed so as to have some goals of a reconnaissance mission. So it's possible that it's a comet, but if that's the case, it will become very clear as it comes closer to the Sun and gets heated, so that its evaporation rate gets much larger, and then the glow of dust and gas around it should be apparent.
On the other hand, some scientists completely disagree with Avi Loeb's ideas. They believe his claims don't have enough solid evidence to be taken seriously.
It's irresponsible science. This is just coincidence, the path that it comes through the solar system.
According to them, there's nothing particularly unusual about this object. But even so, there are a few interesting points worth noting. When this interstellar object was first discovered, Avi Loeb and his team made an early estimate of its size based on how bright it appeared. They suggested it could be around 12 to 20 kilometers wide. Later, as more observations came in, astronomers found that the object's actual size is about 12 kilometers, which fits quite well with Loeb's initial estimate. That shows their early calculations weren't too far off. Another fascinating detail is that this object is extremely old, at least 7 billion years and possibly even older. That's far older than our solar system, which is only about 4.6 billion years old. So we're looking at something that was already ancient when the Sun and planets were just forming. Now, here's where things start to get even more interesting. Currently, 3I Atlas is moving near the Sun, and normally an icy comet in that position should start to heat up and release gas and dust, forming a visible tail. But this object has shown no such tail so far, which is highly unusual. That lack of outgassing is making scientists more suspicious. It's not behaving like a typical comet at all. Recently, astronomers have also started getting structural data about this object. Some claim that it looks like a dense compact ball of light, which is quite different from the fuzzy, irregular shapes of most comets.